going by here too fast.
That's what's up. My life, grinding all my life. Sacrifice. Brothers, real dads. Ya he hecho mi correr y terminar con eso y ya voy a una clase de yoga. Nos vamos. Hola mi gente, ya terminar mi corriendo y ya estoy en una clase de yoga. Yo hace eso para mi flexibilidad y mi mentalidad y respirar. Eso ayuda a mí mucho cuando yo voy a pelear.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I am one of Ian's yoga instructors and friends. I've known him for 8 or 9 years now. Extremely dedicated, and he's very passionate about everything he's doing.
Just here with my dad. We just finished up a great yoga class. It's great to see him back in the yoga room. My dad actually got me started in yoga about 9 years ago. He took me to my first class and just been hooked ever since. My dad recently had a stroke, and so he's just fighting a good fight right now and just working his way back in the yoga mat and just recovering. It's a slow process, but he's working hard, and we're both fighters, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna win the fight. That's right.
You bet, champ.
Yeah. Heinisch. August 17th. Terminar mi entrenamiento para la mañana y eso es mi sponsor, se llama Trifecta. Esa comida es orgánico. Mi dieta es paleo y Trifecta me da paleo comida cada semana. El mediodía yo siempre pongo un poquito cansado y cuando hace eso mi otro sponsor se llama Únase. Yo comer eso suplemente. Eso es por el día y eso por la noche. Yo comer en mediodía con mi comida y me da mucho más energía por el día para entrenar y por la tarde. Y también yo tengo suplementos para mañana y eso es mi esposa. Ella trabaja en esa clínica, se llama Restore Health. Like to come down on these bike paths, scooter all around. They have them all over Denver, and just relax, clear my mind, have a beautiful view of the city, and just kind of get nature a little bit down these paths more. It's more green and just kind of excluded, and just clear my head, man, especially before my fights. It's super important to keep my mind right. You know, we train our physical and our technique and our conditioning, but you got to train your mental on your own, and that's what I do. You know, I get out in nature, I pray to God, I go to church, I listen to tapes. So all these things help me with my mental, get my mind right, deciding that I'm gonna win this fight no matter what.